Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to remove the paint from your wood trim. For this, you're going to need a couple different things. For this, we're going to be using a paint remover that's an aerosol can. There's a lot of different kinds on the market. I like this one because you can actually just spray it on instead of having to wipe it on with a brush. We're also going to be using sandpaper. The paint thinner or the paint remover doesn't remove all of the paint, but this will. It'll take a little bit of time and work, but the end result is worth it. So to start with, you're going to put a nice even coat over your trim of the paint remover. Now you're going to let it sit for a minute or 2 minutes, depending on the thickness and the depth of the paint into the wood. Now that we've let our paint remover sit, I'm going to show you what it does. Just with a scrap piece of wood, you can kind of see that it has actually removed the paint from the surface of the wood, although it has not removed the paint from underneath that is actually soaked into it. This helps you get a lot of the initial sanding off by doing it this way. So you're going to clean this up a little bit and let it dry. It's horrible to try to sand on some wet wood. After your wood's dry, you want to make the sandpaper really nice and easy to hold because you'll be holding it for a while. And just begin working the sandpaper with the grain. Don't go against the grain if you're planning on staining it, because then it looks really nasty. So you just start working. This will take a little while. There we go. There's half of our piece. I said this takes a long time to do. Sanding, refinishing cabinets, stuff like that isn't a quick, easy fix. This is actually a time consuming. But the payoff is worth it. You get that nice look that you want. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and you just learned how to remove paint from your wood trim. Thanks for watching.